everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about some setting units on AutoCAD, how to set your units, because in some drawings the units are given in millimeters, sometimes they're given in inches, so you will need to know exactly what to set your units towards to, and also drawing the separating limits for your drawing and knowing exactly the limits on the screen that you need to put your drawings in it. So in order to do the limits, you type LIM for limits, and limits come up. You click on it and it wants you to reset the space limits. You want to reset it for the lower left corner. Lower left corner would be right here. So the origin point is 0 and 0. That's the easiest one. So I type 0, press the tab key on my keyboard and type 0 again, press enter. And now wants me to specify the upper right corner. So the upper right corner is going to be, let's say 200, for example, by 200. So I'll go 200, press the tab key again, 200, press enter. So now my limits are set in a box, in a square that is 200 by 200, and it starts from 0, 0 origin point. And now I want to set my units. So I click on units, type units, UNI, or just UN, and units come up. And then now you can choose your precision. You want to go up to maybe 2 digits after the decimal point is good. And then this is, notice that it's usually set automatically to inches. You change that to millimeters. So that's how you have it changed in millimeters, and you click OK. So now this is going to be the fourth example that we will be working on today. I'm going to draw half of this drawing, and the rest of it I will mirror, just like the first example I did. So that way you can easily see how to use mirroring again and get more practice for it. You click on line, and you click somewhere on the screen. You have 16 units towards the right direction, but this time I'm not going to go 16. I'm going to go half of 16, which is going to be 8. I type 8, enter, press down on the middle cursor and bring down my drawing a little bit. And then I'm going to go up 2 units, 2 units, 4 units. Track this point from here. I'm going to go ahead and do another 2 units, 4 units, 4 units, 2 units, 2 units. And instead of doing 4, remember we're going to do half of 4, which is 2. And then I'm going to press escape to exit the command. This is half of my drawing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on mirror, and then I'm going to choose this whole thing. Once everything is highlighted, and I make sure everything is highlighted, then I press enter. And then it wants me to choose the points that I need to mirror it about. And I need to choose 2 points. So I'm going to choose this point and bring it down. And I'm going to choose this point right here. It wants me to see if I want to erase the source object. And I'm going to say no. And there we have it. And this was example number 4. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.